In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Meta AI chat on Messenger. If you're excited to dive into this amazing feature, I'm here to guide you through it step by step in a simple and approachable way. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to open Messenger. You can do this by going to the website, which is messenger.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself on the familiar Messenger interface, where you can see all your recent conversations. You'll notice the clean and intuitive layout that makes connecting with friends, and now, even AI, incredibly straightforward. Next, it's time to summon Meta AI. This might sound a bit mystical, but it's actually quite a simple process. All you need to do is focus on the search box, which is typically at the top of the Messenger screen. It's that little bar where you usually type in the names of friends you want to chat with. Once you've found the search box, here's where the fun begins. Type the @ symbol. This is an important step because it signals Messenger to show you a list of available options and features related to this symbol. Think of it as a little shortcut to direct your digital attention. Now, as you type the @ symbol, be sure to watch the menu that appears below the search box. It's a drop-down list that will show you various options, and you'll want to keep your eyes peeled for Meta AI, which should appear as an option. This is the feature we're interested in today, allowing you to start engaging with the AI. When Meta AI appears in the list, simply select it. A new chat window will open, inviting you to enter your prompt. This is your chance to interact directly with the AI. You can type your questions, thoughts, or whatever comes to mind, and Meta AI will respond. Whether you're looking for information, some fun interaction, or assistance, Meta AI is ready to chat. These steps are pretty easy, right? And there you have it, a quick way to start using Meta AI in Messenger. Whether you're just checking it out for the first time or integrating it into your daily Messenger use, this feature can add a new dimension to your online communication. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are eager to explore the possibilities that Meta AI chat brings to your Messenger experience. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll be happy to help. Happy chatting!